Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new, what's good in the hoodie? It's your girl ArieNickoleBooking. And for today's video, we're going to be making a vanity mirror with the lights and all that good jazz. And it's like under $50, I believe, because I'm cheap and I don't got time to be spending like $100+ on anything that I can make myself for cheaper. So everything that you will need will be in the description box below with links if I can find them. So let's get into the video so I can show you how to make this. I want you to ride. I want you to ride. Alright, so I'm starting off with what you will need. So I have a frameless rectangle mirror, as you can see. No frame, no nothing. I got it from Lowe's for like $19, $20. And the size I got is 24 by 30. Alright? And then the next thing you will need are these lights. This is the brand. I actually ordered them on Amazon. So like I said, the link will be in the description box below. They come packaged like this. And you just plug them up. They're self-adhesive. And yes, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, not to state the obvious or anything, but the first thing you need to do is take off the boxing wrapping thing off the mirror so you can do what you gotta do. Alright guys, so this is completely optional, but I chose to clean my mirror before I put on the light bulbs because I felt like it would be easier, but like I said, it's completely up to you. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a rundown of the product that I'm using. No, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to talk about any of this stuff. I just want to let you guys know what you get when you order this product. The brand name, I believe, is Shandae. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but oh well. So what comes in that little box is the cord that you plug in and turns on the light. That's the power button. It's really easy to use. You kind of just tap it. It's not like really a button where you'll hear like a clicking sound, nothing like that. And then obviously the instructions that come with the package, sorry. And then the lights, which is the most important part, self-adhesive. And yeah, you have to be really careful with them though. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me. I don't deal with light bulbs. Like, I don't do stuff like this. So I was really careful when it came down to like touching them and placing them, because I didn't want any of them to break. So if you're anything like me and you don't know exactly what you're doing and you've never really touched a light bulb, then be really careful. Alright, so what you're going to do here is you're going to turn your mirror the way that you are placing it, like on your wall. And then you're going to place the light bulbs where you desire them to be. Alright guys, so this is the most time consuming part, but it's also the most important part. So please do not rush this process, okay? Take your time, place the light bulbs where you need them to be placed, and do what you gotta do. As you can see, I already had like 2 light bulbs placed already. And as you see, like, I'm wrapping the string around this part. It's like an open part on the light bulb that allows you to adjust the strings the way you want them to be, you know, the length and stuff. If you want to hide the strings, I will link in the description box another YouTuber who did that, but it's really simple. You just pull the string back and tape it behind the mirror. Alright guys, so we are almost finished. I'm just grabbing the plug, and you just want to connect those two together, and then you can plug it into your wall. Right now in this clip, I'm going to show you guys that it do work, and you know that the strings, you don't really see them when the lights are on. So alright guys, so this is from a rear angle, I know, just you know, bear with me. But I'm just showing you guys that you can also dim the lights. All you have to do is just hold the power button and it will dim. And if you want it to be brighter, do the same and it'll be brighter. So yeah. Alright guys, so I did it. I'm so excited. It's really cute. This is what it looks like. I just got a new desk because this is a new room. So I will be doing a decorate video with me, but this video will be up first. And yeah, so if you want to see that video, just be on the lookout, because once this video is up, that video will be following right behind it, either like the next day, the next hour, however I do it. It's gonna be right next to it. So yeah, this is a mirror. Only thing is, as you can see, the strings up there, like if that bothers you, then I will tag someone else's videos in the description box where she like taped the strings behind the mirror, but I didn't feel like doing that, especially when I just didn't feel like doing that. So but yeah, so this is a vanity mirror. Pretty excited. I like, and yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. This is a really simple DIY and really inexpensive. Like I said earlier, I'm cheap. I'm cheap. My whole room, I did it on a budget. So yeah, like I said, if you want to see that video, it will be up after this video. So like I said, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I want you to ride. I want you to ride for me. I want you to stay down. Want you to stay down for me. Stay down for me.